Hey everyone, today I will show you how to remove extension from your Google Chrome. So let's begin. So first you need to open your Chrome, and now where is extension, there you can see there have the option extension on the top right corner. There you can see, so just click on this extension icon, and after that there you can see a lot of extension is here. There you can see 1 2 3 4 extension is here. And if you want to remove any extension from here, what should you do? Just select the extension. There you can see I select social plate and I want to remove it, so simply select it and you get on the corner three dot icon. So just tap on this icon, and after that you can see an option remove from Chrome. So just click on this remove from Chrome and you need to confirm it that remove it. That's it. Now you need to check it. So again go to your Chrome extension. There you can see social blade is not here. Your social blade extension is already removed. So in this way you can remove any extension from your Chrome browser. I hope you can understand, and in this way you can remove every extension. Thank you.